Today is a new bike day, so it's a great day. Just went and got my new Scott Spark 900 tuned AXS after a 7-month wait. I ordered it back in October and just picked it up an hour ago from the bike store. Can't believe how gorgeous, how great this bike looks. Looks even better live than in pictures. Full carbon, of course. It's got a Fox 34, Float Factory Air Kashima coated Fit 4 front fork. It's got a Fox Nude 5T Factory Evo Trunnion Scott custom with travel rear shock, which is hidden behind that little door there. It's got the Scott Twin Lock 2 technology. Suspension dropper remote, 3 suspension modes, obviously. It's got a SRAM X01 Eagle AXS 12-speed wireless electronic shift system with a 1052 cassette and a 32-tooth chainring in the front. X01 cranks, X01 chain. It's got Shimano XTR 4-piston disc brakes. $180 millimeter, rotors, front and rear. It's got the beautiful Synchros Fraser carbon handlebars, 0% rise, 8% back sweep, mini rise, 760 millimeters wide. It's got the Synchros Trofino seat, titanium rails, and the Fox Transfer factory dropper post, Kashima coated, 150 millimeters travel. What else do we have? We have the Wicked Will Schwalbe tires, 2.4 width. I really like the combo of the white and a matte black, and then in the white it's got this silver-like looking decal. It's not silver actually. It's got this special effects lightning. Really nice, really nice. I added 2 carbon bottle cages, since there's room for 2 bottle cages, obviously. I really think it's a beauty. Obviously, it has the Tire Whiz, or it's got the valves here, which allows you to know what your tire pressure is using an app on your phone. It's got the Synchros wheels as well, carbon. I weighed the bike at the store. So this is tubeless, obviously. It's got 100 milliliters of SRAMs, no tubes, stands, no tubes fluid in the tires, so about 200 milliliters, and the bike as is weighted in at 11.5 kilograms, so really happy with that. I think this is gonna be a beast to ride. Can't wait to get it on the trails. Probably go for a short ride tomorrow, and then I'll post another video of my findings of this bike. For now, I'm going to completely degrease it, and then I'm going to ceramic coat it with a Geon can coat to protect the bike. And then later on, I'll probably apply some Invisiframe or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but really happy with the way the bike looks. Looks awesome. Can't wait to get it on the trails. That's it for now. Talk to you soon.